enterprise customer segment. These are customers of significant size. They require very specialized solutions and services across data and AI, co-pilots, and security. Our enterprise SI partners have deep expertise in building and scaling global practices in order to design and deliver services securely and rapidly to this customer segment. Our enterprise SI partner EPAM helped Unity, the game development platform that's trusted by more than 1 million devs creating games. We know the gaming market is incredibly demanding. They expect speed, agility, creativity, and user-friendliness. So Unity leveraged EPAM's Azure migration solution so that they could migrate to Azure to improve their developer experience. This also led to a new Azure solution on Unity Muse, which is an AI-powered tool that's integrated with the Unity editor, and it's helping their developers to enhance their project productivity. Congratulations to EPAM. They've won 4 Partner of the